Karakoram Highway, a road to heaven. We were coming back from Khonjarab Pass or China border, and we were crossing Batura Lake and Batura Glacier. Karakoram Highway from Khonjarab to Raikot Bridge is newly built with the funding of Government of Pakistan and with the experience of Chinese government. This road is amazing to drive. Maximum speed limit is 40 or designed for 40 km per hour, but drivers do touch 100 or 100 plus sometime if the road is empty. It can be seen easily the car is overtaking us on Karakoram Highway. We are heading towards Pasukons and then from there to Hunza Valley. This is actually Upper Hunza. Yes, one thing you need to be careful when there is a cut. You have to make sure you pull up your brakes and cut down your speed and then take a turn. Plus, do give horns sometime. Mountains are hidden in clouds, or clouds are kissing the mountains. Mountains are mesmerizing. They have superb beauty. The landscapes of Hunza Valley are unmatchable. You will not see landscape like these anywhere in the world. Recently there was one German girl that traveled with me, and she said to me that the landscapes of Hunza Valley are not matchable. These are so beautiful. She was in love with Hunza Valley. Karakoram Highway basically is considered as the 8th wonder of the world. It has so many reasons to be counted as 8th wonder of the world or to be considered as 8th wonder of the world. Now we are heading towards Pasukons, but you will not be able to see Pasukons due to the clouds, because clouds are covering Pasukons. This road leads to Pasukons, but you will see the board of Pasu on the left side in a while. Pasukons are the main attraction other than Atabad Lake of Hunza Valley. People from all over the world come to see Pasukons or Cathedral. The other name of Pasukons is Cathedral. There is crushing plant on the right side. And this specific point is so famous for photography. This road is so beautifully designed. that if you are driving, you will not feel the car is running towards the upper portion of mountain or hiking towards upside. But you have to be careful. Oh yes, there is a pasu board on the left side. There was a pasu board on the left side. What I was telling, you have to be careful while coming down from the steep slope. Do not use brakes. Use your gears. Use gears of your car. If you have automatic car, then drive in L. If you have a manual car, then you should drive in gear number 1 or 2. This is actually the start of spring, and you will see the new leaves on plants and trees, and sometimes even flowers, blossom flowers on trees. Blossom of Hunza Valley is so much attractive, just like the autumn of Hunza Valley. On the left side, clouds are covering the Mount Pasukon. This is why you are not able to see Pasukon. Yes, on the left side, Pasukons are hidden in clouds. This was an epic journey. We were only 7 to 8 people. We had Grand Cabin at our disposal, and we went up to Khunjra Pass from Lahore. We stayed at Nagar, we stayed at Hunza Valley, Karimabad, we stayed at Chillas, and we traveled all the way through Karakram Highway from Bisham to Dasu and then Chillas. From Hassan Abdal to Khunjra Pass, it is 1300 km of KKH. KKH is another name of Karakram Highway, and yes, that was amazing landscape. Now we have crossed Pasukons. Now you will not be able to see Pasukons because we are going towards Hunza Valley, which is opposite to Pasukons. Whenever I go to Hunza Valley, I always have feeling of amazingness. I get stunned because whenever I go to Hunza Valley, it shows me the new color. I always fell in love with Hunza Valley, and I will recommend you all people to visit Hunza Valley at least once in your life. I guarantee, I can bet you will not regret. But if you do not visit Hunza Valley, then I guarantee and I can bet you will regret. These are amazing scenes. You will be stunned to see the beauty of Hunza Valley. Try to capture all the scenery by your naked eye, not by your camera. But if you visit next time, then you can use your camera. But at first glimpse, I believe one should see the beauty of nature through his naked eye. Now we are heading towards Atabad Lake, and then from Atabad Lake we will go to Hunza Valley, Karimabad. Although those videos of Karimabad or Atabad Lake are not included in this video, but I will upload those videos in upcoming days. Now these are the landscapes worth seeing, worth watching, and I want you to visit this beautiful place called Hunza Valley. Trip to Hunza was really awesome, was really the peace of mind for me. Seeing nature, watching nature through naked eye is always pleasure to watch. It gives plenty of peace to your mind. I hope to see you next time with my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Travel with Smart Cycle. Bye.